morning, guys. It's me again. So I barely woke up. It's already around 10 and stuff like that. But today I'm back filming again. I didn't go to work today. I've been working almost every day non-stop. So today I have time and I'm gonna go out. I bought these for the truck, and now I'm gonna put them on, and I'm gonna go rewire all my rock lights and all my fog lights, because the wires were already getting kind of old and stuff like that. So I gotta go rewire all those things, and then but I might hit the gym a little bit and then go do all that and buy all the materials. But yeah, I'm gonna get going because it's kind of late already and my truck is a mess. I still gotta wash it because I haven't washed it in October Madness. So it's already, I think, next weekend, and my truck's not even nearly done. But I mean, I'm still gonna go the way, I don't care how the truck is, but I'm still gonna go. So yeah, let's get it. Look how dirty the truck is. And I haven't had time to do nothing to it, so hopefully today I get time and do all these things that I gotta do to the truck, because I'm not gonna be able to do it during the week anymore. So I'm gonna be working. But for now, hopefully I got time for this, for the things I gotta do. But yeah, right now I'm about to, let me fix this shit real quick. I'm about to go do the things that I gotta do first, like go to the gym and stuff like that. And I should be done with that like in 2 hours. And then go put these things right here and stuff like that. And hopefully everything goes smooth, no problems. But yeah, let's go to the gym and buy all the wiring for it. Alright, so I already got here and everything. Oh, let it focus. Let it focus. Alright. So yeah, guys, I already got here and I already went inside and buy them and everything. I bought the whole wiring, and I even bought a relay. I bought all these wires and relay. So now I gotta, hopefully it doesn't take long to rewire the whole thing, because I got like, I think I got like 16 or 18 rock lights. I'm not sure, but I got like 16 or 18 rock lights, and it takes kind of like 3 hours to do all that. And plus I gotta rewire the fog lights also. But yeah, I should be done by today, because I don't really have other choice. But yeah, I'll see you. Right now I'm gonna go to the gym, so let me go to the gym, and from there then I'm gonna go with my friend that he's gonna help me do all this and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go to the gym right now, and I'll catch y'all when I get over there. So yeah, I finally already ate. I already went to the gym and everything. Now I just finally got to my homeboy's house, and we're gonna do all that what I told you I was gonna do. So hopefully it doesn't take much. I'm already getting kind of lazy. It's already, what time is it? It's already 3:50. It's already 3:50, and we're barely gonna start. So it's basically, hopefully it takes us just like 2 hours. But yeah, I'll let y'all know when I finish. Peace. Well, let me show you how it looks right now.
show you like without the covers. Without the covers, you can see all this gap in the gap because of the body lift, but once I get the covers, it's gonna look way better. The same for this side. Once I get the body lift, once I get the cover, it's gonna cover that shit. That's my homeboy's truck right there. But yeah, I'm waiting for him to come home and so we could start doing that. I'm already ready, so I'm take a picture and show you how it's gonna look before and after. So yeah, stay tuned when I finish. Alright guys, so I finally made it home and everything. I even changed shirts and because I was already getting sweaty, but yeah, I made it home and right now it's already getting late and it looks like it wants to rain, but hopefully it doesn't rain. And let me show you how it looks. Stay away. So yeah, basically cover the whole thing right there. Now I gotta take care of the nasty sinosh. But yeah, it looks way better now. Now I gotta wash it real quick because it's all dirty. I don't know if y'all can see. Look at all that. But yeah, I'm gonna wash it right now and try to leave it here. Hopefully it doesn't rain because it looks like it wants to rain. But hopefully it doesn't rain and leave it here ready for OTM Saturday. I'll be filming, so this video is probably gonna be a little bit too short, but it's just because I haven't been posting. It's just to post for the meanwhile. But yeah, I should be at OTM and hopefully the truck looks alright, because I didn't even find nobody to color match my bumper or anything, so I'm just gonna go like that. Hopefully it looks alright. But yeah, I'm about to wash it and let's see how it looks when it's all washed, because right now it looks so dirty. But it looks clean though, but dirty. Yeah, that's my dog right there. Look, blue mask. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, so I finally finished washing it and everything, and I'm gonna show you how I fixed all the rock lights again so that all of them are working and I'm ready to roll. The only thing I didn't like for right now that I washed it and everything, and I don't know, the wheels are like I need to polish them, and I don't know if I'm gonna have time before the show, but I cleaned them the most I could, but they're still kind of, you can see some scratches. I don't know if the camera could catch it, but you can see some scratches in there. But I already fixed all the rock lights, and that's the covers I was talking about. Now I just gotta fix that C-notch, that ugly ass C-notch, but that should be set. And I'll probably, I don't know, should I paint these white also, the covers, and paint the ones in the front also? But for now, this is how it looks. I'm not that good at washing, but I washed and it looks way better than how it looked. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Looks nice. But yeah, I should be going. So I don't know what time I'm gonna leave that day, but shortly I should leave like around, I don't know, I'm gonna leave in the morning like at 4 a.m. So I'm not trying to be there a long time. I'll probably leave like at 2 p.m. But yeah, this is just like a little video to upload because I haven't recorded for like 2 weeks already. So this is a little video to tell you that I'm gonna be over there and just to put on YouTube. And I should be recording that day also on OTM, so that's gonna be a better video than this. So yeah, hopefully I try to polish them before the show, but for now that's how it's gonna go. But yeah, if y'all could follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I would really appreciate it. So catch me on the next video. This video is probably gonna be boring, but next one I'll try to make it more interesting. But yeah, peace.